Hey guys, it's me, Dad,
Pa.
and today we are going to show you our slimes. And what we're doing is we're going to make our slime even better. So let's get started. Okay, so what are we going to lotions. So this one is my first because it gives it a lot of smells. This one is my third because I don't know. But we're using that one. That one's not really, that one is important because it forms our into better slime.
Yes, yes.
I don't know how to like say it, but just that.
So I just play with my slime in front of you guys.
Well, I do the lotion. I'm gonna use this one first.
Let's do some music.
So the lotion is in the slime. It's slime on my hand.
Still not crunchy. Mine's fluffy.
Because of the
Mine's fluffy and sticky.
mine is fluffy too, but it's just that the lotion is making the fluffy team gone. But I like doing this. It's so fun. I'm gonna see how big it is. I hope it's not gonna be like yours.
I'm forming a circle instead. And oh my gosh, mine's stickier.
This was gonna make it smell really good.
Okay, that would smell good.
I just like some good smelling because, like, I know it smells so bad, but add more and more. I just want to cut this lotion open.
Nope, you're not.
I said I wish.
You better.
I'm gonna roll into this. So I can put this in there. Yummy. Smells so good.
Ignore me. Coming.
Sorry if we talk too much, so this time we're not gonna talk that much, but we're just gonna talk to each other.
Next video, when it turns to 3 a.m., we're gonna try.
Yeah,
to
I'm
spin
not
our
gonna.
fidget spinner.
I'm not gonna be here because
Or maybe we're gonna.
it's 3 a.m.
Go play
and
my
you
slime.
know I can't come to her house at 3 a.m. because it's nighttime, and I don't know who's gonna be awake, but she will
I'm
make.
gonna slap my brother's face
but
to wake him up.
But she is gonna make a video, so I hope she remembers.
I'm gonna try to post it on YouTube.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Like a girl, she did a video.
Ruby,
Her name is Ruby Rose.
whatever. But yeah.
She did it. Nobody called her, but her fidget spinner moved by.
They were spinning the fidget spinner, and then Boss Baby had called them. I was like, what the? And then they were making slime at 3 a.m. and it turned in, the lights flickered, and then the slime turned into the slime was pink,
Oh,
but
I'm
it
gonna
turned
try to
into
do
black.
that. So my
Slime could